Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video we are going to cover the mop-up round status for different states, okay, and all the major states, open and closed states. First thing first, All India Counseling, that is MCC counseling, is further delayed. The choice filling is still available and you can unlock the choices, do the rearrangement of the choices, add, delete, and change the order once again up to 5 p.m. on 16th of November. So the intention is very clear here. They don't want to allow any kind of seat blocking. Okay. So round two counseling is going on. In case someone gets seat in round two through state counseling and joins the seat there, their name will be published to MCC, and the MCC won't be allotting them a seat. Okay. So that's good news for all of the candidates. Okay, in Andhra Pradesh there is no notification about mop-up round registration. Gujarat also has no notification. In Himachal Pradesh also there is no notification. Tamil Nadu, Telangana, and Uttarakhand there is no notification. Okay, in the state of Bihar, okay, they have started the registration and it will go on until 17th. Okay, Bihar is also open state, and in the lower score also you can expect a seat there. Haryana is also an important open state. There are 3 private colleges, HGT, Adesh, and NC Medical College. The registration started as on today and will go on until 17th of November. There is 2 lakhs of security deposit in Bihar and Haryana both. In Karnataka, the mop-up registration is completed. Document verification is on 17th and 18th. Okay. So you can, those candidates whose rank is up to 1 lakh, they can go on 17th with all the proper documentation to verify themselves. And the same verification will apply for state vacancy round. In Kerala state, the last date for mop-up choice filling is completed on 14th November. It was yesterday. And in Madhya Pradesh, the registration is already completed, which was available up to 9th of November. The choice filling is completed, but they will announce the result only All India mop-up round is completed. In Maharashtra, the registration is completed and the choice filling also completed. In Pondicherry, it was supposed to happen on 14th, but it's delayed up to 18th. So definitely they are waiting for All India result and they will start it. In the Punjab, the registration is completed and the choice filling is will start from 18th to 21st of November. In Rajasthan, the registration is completed and they had given the date as on 11th or 12th of November for the mop-up counseling, but is postponed until further notice. In Uttar Pradesh, the registration is completed. Today is the last date for payment of the security deposit, and the choice filling will be happening on 16th and 17th. So this is the complete update. Okay, 9319128677 is the contact number. We are also available on WhatsApp on the same number, and there is a Telegram group also. You can get the link in the description. You can join it. This is the last phase of the counseling. For another 20-25 days the counseling will go on, and then it will finish. It will get all over. Okay, then you will have CPS Maharashtra, CPS Gujarat counseling. Okay, CPS Maharashtra is open, okay, for everyone, but you need to qualify. That's the condition, and I will keep you updating about all such progress. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.